Whether you're seeing a chiropractor, a physiotherapist, a doctor, a specialist, even a massage therapist or personal trainer, it's important to know that the body itself is doing the healing. There's no doctors and no therapists that can do any healing for you. So as a chiropractor, all we're trying to do is remove the interference that's stopping your body from healing. So for example, if you cut your finger, your body's going to do all it needs to do to heal that cut. So that the same thing when you sprain your ankle, your body's going to patch up that ankle ligament that's been sprained, and it's going to help make that ankle strong. The way this happens is through the nervous system. So you got the brain first. The brain controls everything. The brain connects to the spinal cord, which connects to the nerves that travel down through the spine out to the rest of the body. So anytime there's a sprained ankle, or anytime you even step on rocky ground, your brain's sending messages to the affected area to counteract what's happening. When it comes to healing back pain or neck pain or even headaches, the body is doing its job. The body does what it needs to do. The only time when the body can't heal a sprained muscle or can't get rid of your back pain is when there's nerve interference between the brain and the injured area. That interference is usually because of a bone or a muscle. Most of the time it's a spinal bone touching the nerve root, which comes out from the spine out to the rest of the body. We can take C1 for example, which is the top joint in the whole spine. C1 controls all of these areas here. And the common symptoms we might get, so for example here we've got headaches, anxiety, dizziness, high blood pressure, poor concentration. A lot of these things are given medications. A lot of these things are just covered up. Whereas really we've got to get to the cause. We've got to check that bone there, make sure it's in the right place, make sure it's not touching a nerve. And also a large part of nerve interference is from the muscles as well. So we at One Stop Healthcare also clear up any muscular interference that could be interfering with your nerve flow, causing your headaches, causing your dizziness, causing the high blood pressure, and depending on the area, could be causing a whole bunch of other things.